Ladies and gentlemen, we're live here at Reading Festival 95. This is Anthill for CGOEN TV. We're going to be talking to a few of the ladies and gentlemen in the audience and getting their views on some of the religious aspects of the festival. Is rock music Satan's lullaby?
That's a load of crap.
Hey? That is so rude. I'm a satellite in orbit around the planet. Crazy gods of endless noise.
I like to be in fluid, believe me.
Jackson 5?
I very much like 30s, late 30s, maybe 38, cabaret.
BPM. I like the early and late 50s VW.
Because basically what I do is I just crank the engine and let it hum, and then something will come into my head.
There is resurrected. The latent aggression wells up inside. All you need is to be. Thoughts untie me, they guide me to you. 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 Thoughts untie me.
What type of music are you boys?
I'm actually not a type of music myself, but the band I'm in plays a type of music.
Not known yet. It's very, very difficult to classify, isn't it, Gareth?
No.
I know, it's straight rock and roll.
So, basically, to recap, we pretty much class ourselves as tight-lipped funk with a dirty-ass bottom end.
with some chimey and slightly unusual clanky type sounds.
I'm here with
Eddie, man.
Eddie Mann. Here he is. Reading Festival, a celebration of contemporary music or simply a breeding ground of sin and sodomy, ladies and gentlemen? What do you think, Eddie?
I would say both, especially sin and sodomy. But the sodomy part hasn't arrived to me yet. I haven't really gotten laid yet.
Are you looking forward to the sodomy aspect?
Fuck, man. I want to get laid real bad, man.
I can't tell you much about it because it's hidden.
But we know there is one there because we can't find it.
I only eat twigs and leaves.
raw vegetables and gravy.
Sampling, sampling,
Sample.
sampling.
We are kind of like the centre of the seesaw, USA at one end and Europe at the other, and you know we can kind of hang whichever way we want, really. Hopefully Europe will like us, because if they don't, we're buggered.
The most exciting time for the gods is actually writing. It's the creative side of it. It kind of just seems to just really stimulate me. I find it very boning to write songs.
The recording side of things, it is another way, you know, it's like, that's the seed, and on live is coming to fruition. But there's no more time than you're most alive when you're live.
There's always time for spontaneity. I mean, of course, there's a lot of things, as you say, there's a lot of things going on when we do a live show, because we concentrate on the whole ensemble, the way it looks and the way it sounds. So, but this doesn't limit us to, like, you know, just laying down the set and that's it. Press the button, off we go, because we're slightly more than that. And you know, there's a lot of interchanges and just a lot of reckless abandon.
If you were a modern-day Moses, right? What would be your 10 commandments?
Ooh.
And the other 9?
Oh.
What's the point in someone else thinking of how we should look? That's just crap. We've evolved into how we dress and how we act.
We did that because our careers were flagging, let's be honest. We needed some publicity, so we took our clothes off. It didn't work. Now we feel dirty, we feel like hollow shells of our former selves.
Were you penetrated at all during that experience?
Yes, I was. I was penetrated by the cold. I was penetrated by a policeman's truncheon. One thing that we're quite keen on as a band is to take ourselves off the stage and into the real world. We've got to subvert the public.
How are you going to achieve this subversion?
Take my clothes off again. Death is something we can't cheat physically, but we can cheat it on vinyl.
Thank you and good night. God bless you and your families.